A lot of people wonder, how can Google Ads benefit my business, or how can Google Ads help my business to grow? Because let's face it, we all want leads, we all want sales. So there are lots of ways in which you can advertise and market your business. Now, there are a lot of free ways like search engine optimization, right? So why should you choose Google Ads over SEO, search engine optimization, where you can get free clicks? And on Google Ads, you've got to pay for the clicks. So there must be some madness in it, right? So in this video, I want to cover about 10 different reasons why Google Ads can help you to grow your business, and explain a few of the benefits of to why you be using Google Ads as one of the integral strategies within your business to help it grow. Now, just to have a quick recap, Google Ads is a platform whereby you can pay Google to be listed at the top of the Google page. And you can beat everybody. There's no waiting. There's no like, hey, we're going to wait 3 months or 4 months or whatever, just like SEO. You can be at the top of the Google page. So when people are searching for your products or services, you're at the top. So for example, if you're a double glazing company, you can tell Google that, hey, if someone's typing in double glazing windows, I want to be at the top of the Google page. Or if they're typing in orangeries or conservatories, I want to be at the top of the Google page. And then in return, you pay. And the reason you pay is because Google allows you to get to the top of the Google page when people are finding you within days, as opposed to months and months and months. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover about 10 different reasons, actually 10 reasons why you should be using Google Ads to help grow your business. Number one is increased visibility. And like I said, you can get your products listed or your website listed at the top of the Google page when somebody's looking for you. Not only can they click on the website, on your link to go to your website, but they can actually call you directly from the Google page. So that's one of the huge benefits about Google Ads in terms of visibility. The other part about visibility is that you can target local customers. Now, if you're, for example, a skip hire company or a double glazing company, or if you're a therapist and people are not going to travel hundreds of miles to see you, you can say to Google that, hey, I want to target people who are in my city or in my town or within a 5 mile radius of where my office is. So you're not targeting the whole of UK, and you know that your ads are only ever going to be shown for people who are actively looking for you and they're within your local area, so that they're more likely to turn into an inquiry or a lead or a sale. The other one is you can do targeted advertising. So what I mean by that is not only can you target your local customers, but you can target them by demographics. You can target them by age, by interest. So you can say that I want to target females or males, and I want to target people who are between this age, like 35 to 55, for example, right? And so there's a lot of targeting that you can do, but you can also target people by interests. So, for example, you might be an estate agent, and you can say, I want to target people who are homeowners. So then your ads are being shown to people who are homeowners, and you can layer this by saying, I want to target homeowners who are above 45 years old. So you're really homing in terms of who your ads are being shown to. And like I said previously, you can also do location targeting so that they're within your local area. Another great way you can target people is using keywords. So you can attract people who are using keywords. So you can say, if someone's on Google and they're typing in, for example, houses. Now, houses is a very generic word, right? So it's got low intent to buy. But let's say if someone's typing in houses for sale, that's a very high intent keyword, because what it means is that somebody is looking to buy a house. Or if they're typing in estate agents near me, that means they're looking for the services of an estate agent. And you can target your audiences based on keywords. So it's really super powerful that there's so many different ways you can target your ideal customers. The other thing about Google Ads, which is point number three, is its cost-effective marketing. Now, you only pay per click. So what I mean by that is, if someone types in, like I said earlier, estate agents near me, and if they look at your ad but they don't click on your ad or they don't call you, you don't pay a penny. But if they typed in estate agents near me and they're in your area and they're above 45 years old because that's what you specified, they've read your ad and then they click on the ad to visit your website or they call you directly from the Google page, only at that point in time do you pay Google a certain amount. Okay, so you've got a lot of control over your budget. And it's very cost-effective marketing. The other thing about cost-effective marketing is that you can adjust your budgets as and when you want. You can increase them tomorrow or today, or you can reduce them as much as you want. You can pause your campaigns. You can set a daily limit. You can set a monthly limit. So it's so flexible, right? You can even say to Google that, hey, I only want my ads to be shown from Monday to Friday because I want to control my budget, or I only want to show my ads from like 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. if that's where your core audience is, right? So you've got a lot of control over your budget in terms of how your budget is actually allocated. The other thing that you can do, point before, is you can boost your sales. So you can, if, for example, on a certain day that you're not getting enough leads, so you can say, hey, I want to increase my budget. Not only am I going to increase my budget, but I want to bid more aggressively. So you can tell Google that, hey, I want to be at the very top of the Google page because I want more leads, or I want to be at 75%. I want my ads to be shown 75% of the time or 80% of the time at the top of the page because I want to be very, very, very aggressive in terms of my marketing. I can increase my cost per click. So you can say to Google, I'm willing to pay you more. I'm willing to pay you more. Just get me more leads, get me more sales, and so on. Following one from point before, which is boosting your sales, you can also say to Google that, hey, how are your ads going to be displayed? So you can either have forms, so which people can fill in, or you can use phone calls, right? So you can say that, hey, I only want to pay if somebody actually phones me directly from the Google page. So without even going to my website. So you've got a lot of ways you can generate leads, and a lot of ways you can target, and you can tell Google that how I want people to interact with us. Point about it is it's a data-driven approach. So you get real analytics. You can see exactly what's happening, how much you're spending on any one day, how much you're paying per click, how many clicks you're getting, how many times your ad has actually been shown on the Google page, and then how many times it's been shown but clicked on, which is technically called the click-through rate. Right. So you've got a lot of data, and using that data, you can make a lot of informed decisions very quickly. For example, if you see that, hey, I'm looking at my data for the last 7 days or last 30 days, whichever it is, and I can see that most of my conversions are coming in on a Wednesday, and they're coming in between 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. Then what you can do on Wednesday, you can bid more aggressively because that's when you can get more conversions, right? So it's got a wealth of data to help you to make data-driven decisions. Another thing that you can do with data is you can do something called A/B testing. And A/B testing is, for example, if you've got a landing page whereby you're taking people to, you can say to Google that, hey, I've got this page here and it converts at, let's say, 5%. So 5% of people who come onto this page result in an inquiry, they make a booking with us or get a lead. You can then say, I've got this other page here. I want to test this because I feel that this page is going to work better. So can you send 50% of my traffic to this page and 50% to this page? And then let's see which one converts better. Because in that way, what you're not doing, you're not saying you want to spend more money on marketing, but what you're doing is you're telling Google that from the people that are coming onto my page, I want them to convert a lot better. Point number 6 is you've got flexibility. So you can do a lot of campaign optimization. So for example, if you've got a service and you want to promote that service tomorrow, or you've got a brand new service, you can just create a campaign, and that campaign is being marketed within the next day on Google Ads, or even the same day. People can actually start seeing it. So there's none of this, unlike search engine optimization, where you might have to wait for weeks and weeks and weeks. or even months for that new service to be shown on the Google page. With Google Ads, it can be shown there same day, if not the next day. So you can do very, very, very quick experiments with your products or services. So you've got a lot of flexibility and adaptability using Google Ads for your business. The other thing that you can do with Google Ads, which is point number 7, is you got a competitive advantage. Now, what I mean by that is a lot of your competitors may be relying on organic traffic, like search engine optimization. And don't get me wrong, search engine optimization is absolutely brilliant if handled in the right way. Okay, so I have got another video which covers more about search engine optimization. In fact, I will do another video of Google Ads versus search engine optimization, SEO. And if you want to learn more about that, just hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying what I'm saying so far, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, because I create regular videos to help businesses grow using Google Ads and a variety of other digital marketing strategies. So do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if that's the sort of content that you'd like me to produce more of. So again, point number 7, once again, you get competitive advantage. So those people who are relying only on search engine optimization to grow organically, you've now come there and you're right at the top of the page, and you're fast tracking yourself to success without having to wait for months and months before you start getting clicks for your products or services. Point number 8 is brand awareness. Google Ads is absolutely brilliant for brand awareness, because what you can do, you can do something called display campaigns, whereby you can put your logos, your artwork, your images, all your branding assets, and you can feed it into Google, and then those will be shown on related other websites. So when people are looking at other blogs which are related to your business, they will see your branding. So they may not click on it straight away, but they're constantly seeing your branding. It's like a billboard. When you're driving on the motorway, you see a billboard go by. Okay, you might not read everything, but you're acknowledging, that's a Coca-Cola ad or billboard, or that's a so-and-so company billboard. Well, display advertising exactly the same, but instead of physical billboards, you've got digital billboards on your web browser or the device that people are looking at the websites on, whether it be mobile, tablet, TV, or a desktop. Another great thing on branding is you can do YouTube advertising. Again, so you can use Google Ads as an engine to power your ads on YouTube. Now, don't forget that YouTube is owned by Google, right? So it works hand in hand. So you can create ads so that when people are looking at videos which are related to your topic, so if you're a personal trainer, for example, and somebody's looking at a personal trainer video, just before they see that video, they can see your ad and your branding. And remember that skip button that people see and people skip it? Well, people got a choice of either skipping it or looking at your video or even clicking onto your ad to visit your website. Point number 9 is e-commerce. So if you're in the business of selling items on the web, then Google Ads is an absolute must for you, because what you can do, you can advertise your individual products on the Google page instead of text, and as well as images. So if whatever your products are, people can see the image of the product, and when they see it, they can click on that product and visit your website. So that is absolutely fantastic. So if you're selling items online, then Google Ads is a must platform for you guys to experiment with, because people are clicking on the ads and they're visiting your website, and then they can decide whether they want to buy your product or not. The last item is scalability. Now, it's one of the only very few platforms that you've got whereby you can scale dramatically. You can start off with one budget, and as and when things work, you can pour more money into it, more campaigns into it, advertise more products, more services, and the sky is the limit in terms of how much you can grow with Google Ads. So if you're a business and you want to grow with Google Ads, then I definitely recommend you experimenting with Google Ads, getting an expert to run your Google Ads campaign for you, because you could end up burning a lot of your money really quickly if your Google Ads is not managed well. So guys, I hope that helps. So if you're a business and you want to grow your business, then please do me a favor, and hit that subscribe button, because I do create these videos on a regular basis, on a weekly basis. And then I'm helping people just like yourself to grow. If you've got any questions about Google Ads, let me know in the comments below. Actually, in saying that, let me know in the comments below which strategy are you using at the moment to grow your business. That'd be great to hear from you. Are you using Google Ads? And if you are, what's your experience been? Okay, even if you've had a bad experience, let me know. If you've had a great experience, let me know. But just comment in the box below, in the description area below, and I'd love to hear from you. If you've got any other questions or you want to make any more videos, let me know. I'll be more than happy to create them for you. Take care and look forward to seeing you on another video. But just before I do, check out this video here. It gives you a wealth of information on how you can grow your business and get more leads for your business using Google Ads and other strategies. Goodbye for now.